So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the search or the magnifying glass. Once that is done, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol AMZN. At the top it says Amazon, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom and press on trade and then press on buy. Once you're on the trade screen, you can go ahead and change the session, the order type, as well as the quantity. And once that is done, press on the green buy button to proceed this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.